Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Krea AI app in your iPhone. So guys, if you don't know how to download this app, then this video is for you. So guys, all you need to do is first of all just go ahead and open App Store since we're using an iPhone, and once you do so, just go ahead and tap on search or reveal and type in Krea. Tap on search. So guys, Krea AI app is only available in certain regions, so as you can see in my region I cannot find it, but if you're in the region that has Krea AI app, then this is the way to go. So guys, that's how you download Krea AI app in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.